Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: define high-level language, machine language, assembly language, and object-oriented language. Type, compile, and run the following program and turn in the program with output using Microsoft C++. Take screenshot on the output. 1. Write a C++ program to read a number and display it. Second, write a C++ program to read n numbers, find some product and average of n numbers and display them. Test your program for 8 inputs. Third, write a C++ program to read n names and display them. Test your program for 8 inputs, 15 points, and the answer of the question is definition. First, high-level language. A high-level language is a programming language that is designed to be easy for humans to read and write. It abstracts the detail of computer hardware, making it easier to program than lower-level languages. Examples include Python, Java, and C++. Second, machine language. Machine language is the lowest level programming language consisting of binary code that the computer's central processing unit CPU can directly execute. Each instruction performs a very specific task such as load, jump, or arithmetic operations. Third, assembly language. Assembly language is a low-level programming language that uses symbolic names to represent machine language instructions. It is more human readable than machine language but still requires detailed knowledge of the computer's architecture. Each assembly language is specific to a particular computer architecture. For object-oriented language. Object-oriented language, high-level programming language that use objects and classes to organize code. These are languages support concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Examples include Java, C++, and Python. C++ program. Pause the video and go through the program. Instructions for compilation and execution. First, open Microsoft Visual Studio. Second, create a new project for each program. Third, copy and paste the respective program code into the source file. 4. Compile the program by clicking on the build or compile option in the menu. 5. Run the program by clicking on the run or execute option in the menu. 6. Input the required data when prompted. 7. Take screenshots of the output for each program. Ensure you save the program and the corresponding output screenshots in a demeter or as separate image files to return in. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.